y'all. Today we having a seafood bag boil at home, y'all. Let me get up in here. My hands are clean. As y'all can see, it's some crab legs back there, y'all. It's my little sister birthday month. She loves some seafood, y'all, so I'm gonna bring her back from home, y'all. No Crafty Crab, no what's that other place called? Hook and Reel. None of that, y'all. Seafood boil at home. We got some sausages, we got some crawfish, some crab legs, y'all, and corn. Okay, I made the homemade butter sauce, y'all, on the side. I'm gonna pour this into the bag, y'all, and then we're gonna go straight into the oven and allow for everything to marinate and get right. Alright, y'all, your girl is back. I changed my mind and I decided to do it on the stove, y'all. The reason why is because okay, let me say this, y'all. Excuse me, y'all. I put in for the bags to be delivered, y'all, and the wrong bags came. Okay, they were the oven bags and not the bowl bags, y'all. So they started like season together, y'all. Scared me a little bit. So I took it out of the oven, y'all, and I put it on the stove, y'all. I'm about to take it out now and show y'all how everything look. All right, y'all, your girl is back. The boil is done and complete, y'all. Only thing left to do is to eat it, y'all. I'm about to get it in. All right, see y'all later.
I just wanna feel some.
Eyeball you.
You're in charge, girl, I need that. I need to feel something.